Hi, and welcome to episode 5, When to Invest Time. So, if you are a typical small business owner, you will have a massive to-do list, no doubt. You will have lots of things that you are juggling and almost feeling like you're spinning all these plates and just being busy. So, what I want to share today is really how we can get caught up in that and the fact that when we do invest some time to really take time out to work on our business, to look at our business and see what's going on, see what the moving parts are, review them, just really take time to actually look at what we're doing rather than feeling stuck doing the doing, then it can become a lot more clear what your next steps are. Because if we were traveling somewhere, and like I often talk about this point A and point B, then if we got lost or didn't know if we were even on track, you would hit a point where you would actually stop the car. You would say, right, stop. I need to get my bearings, figure out where I am, where I'm trying to go, and what's the easiest way for me to move forward. And this is exactly what we do when we take that pause button. When we hit that pause in business, we can do the same thing for ourselves. And it's very sometimes difficult, sometimes more difficult in business because we feel that we need to be doing the doing and we're going to, have to catch up if we don't. We're going to fall behind, we're not going to have done, and all these kind of negative things can be coming up. So what I think is the real basics and the foundation that is absolutely essential for all business owners is to get our day set up in a way that it helps us to do all of these things. And I think having a schedule, having some kind of routine, and knowing how you work, when you work best, what you do at what time, and just really having this all in almost like a plan, but really in your calendar is so powerful. And I want to share with you a mini course that I've been working on called Master Your Minutes. And that the aim of this is to exactly help you do just this, is to set up an aligned schedule. And when we think about creating a schedule, we don't often think about what we're doing at certain times of the day and how we're spreading our work, what we're focusing on. And this course is really about talking you through the 5 steps of creating your schedule, and not just any schedule, something that is aligned to you, to how you work, to optimize what you do, to maximize the output and the effect that that has. So, wherever you are in your business, I highly recommend reviewing how you work very regularly. And whenever you feel like there's something falling a little bit out of sync, or perhaps not quite moving in the right way for you, then it can be really, really life changing. Because what we do on a daily basis, just think about this for one moment, what we bring into our daily habits has got the impact, the potential to make the impact um, on a really great level. And in order for us to bring that into our daily habits, we need to really take time to look at that. But once we bring it in, then that means it's happening on a daily, weekly basis. It's all the actual result of that is going to add up very quickly. And that's what I would love for you to explore today, is how do you have your schedule set up and what do you do? Is it working for you? Do you know the power it can have on your productivity levels, on what you actually achieve, and actually doing all of that in less time as well? So investing time in your business where you are trying to create more time, create more freedom in your business, and just create everything in alignment with how you want to operate is so key. And I'm a true believer that everything really starts with how we set our intention. So if we have set our intention to have the best schedule, then, operating from that space means that when we are setting up our day, we're going to be focused on the things we put down there. And if you want some help and guidance with that, as I mentioned, my Master Your Minutes mini course is super affordable. It is going to take you, guide you through the 5 steps, and you literally walk and take action as we go through the steps. So I invite you to explore that. Take a look at my website for the link and see if this is something that would be really beneficial for you. Because once you create your schedule, the other thing is that we live in a world of change. Look at everything happening around us now. The news, it's always changing. Everything around us, the seasons are changing, and nature and everything. And just like that, we are actually changing too, whether we can see that or not. And because we are evolving, and it's affecting how we learn, how we operate, how we are the most productive, how we manage our time, then we have to be looking at our schedule on a regular basis, because what could be working for you for such a long period could suddenly just not work so well. And there's always room for improvement, right? If we are in that mindset, then we will look for things to improve us, to help us magnify what we do, to really optimize and make the best of use of the time that we have, especially in our business where we are under pressure to do a lot of things in a short space of time. So I will leave you with those thoughts. Do check out, if it resonates, do check out on my website. Master Your Minutes is a mini course, and it is being designed for somebody who is busy, so that I am literally walking through steps with you. And it can be amazing what small things that you change on your day how they can add up and impact you and your business. And it can also help you see clearer and just really work towards getting that freedom that you wanted in your business when you started out. So that's it for this episode. I hope that was useful, and see you next time.